Let's get ready to rumble!
Good evening. This is the Asian session stream, taking this part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you get anything of value, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell because we are live. Well, not every weekday, Asian session, but we're usually live every weekday. New York session, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, that's 12:30 p.m. West African time. With that being said, let's get into the charts. All right, good evening, y'all. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys had a good trading day today. Had a good New York session. Hopefully fortune smiles on us for the Asian session. Yeah, all right, let's get straight into it though. So starting off with GJ here. I mean, as you can see, the trade we took this morning would have played out if we held it, but like I said, right, I mean, I was pretty sure we were gonna at least come back down and tap into what is it, 190.8? Was it 190.8? Yeah, so I was pretty sure that we're still gonna come back down and tap into 190.8. It was just a matter of I wasn't willing to sit in the drawdown, right? I really needed to go, so I wasn't really willing to sit in drawdown, hence why we closed it on stream. I mean, really, I could have just held it, you know, and managed it off stream, but I took it on stream, so I really just wanted to, you know, have it play out completely on stream, hence why I closed it. But, you know, I mean, if we held it, we would have come down, you know, tapped the BE areas. You know, if we didn't take out profits at the BE areas, we would have gotten stopped out at BE regardless. So it is what it is. It is what it is. We move on. Let's see if Asian can give us some a little bit more rapido here, a little bit more of a faster move, because that move really delayed. It really dragged on during New York, right? Really dragged on. But yeah, let's see. First of all, let's see if we got news. I think I saw some high impact news here. No, okay, so there's a speech at 11. What? Oh, I think the time zone is off, right? Where do I fix the time zone at again? I forget. Hello, where do I fix that time zone? 11. Shit, that's not correct. That ain't correct. Boy, this is August 23rd. Hold up, what is going on? There we go. All right, yeah, so we got, okay, it's Aussie news at 9:30. Okay, I remember seeing high impact news for Asian session. I just couldn't remember what it was for. All right, cool. Let's get to work here, right? So GJ monthly, still the same thing. Yeah, still the same thing. We have 2 days left now. Well, really 3 days. And to flip is about how many pips? To flip is about 200-ish pips, give or take. I do believe you're gonna flip at some point here. I mean, we'll see whether we do. But I mean, we came all the way down here, and for the majority of the month, we've been rejecting, right? We've just been slowly making our way up here. So I think, I mean, yeah, I think at this point, we most likely will flip here on this monthly, but that's just speculation, right? We'll have to start seeing those closures to really start, you know, we'll have to start seeing those bullish closures on the lower time frames to really confirm that, okay, yeah, for sure we're gonna flip, right? For now, it's just speculation, but it's very possible here, right? Very, very possible. We are still trading below this level though, this 192 level here on the or 191.5, 191.6 level, right? On the monthly, we are still trading below that level. We'll look to the lower time frame to see what that weekly is looking like. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty interested to see what the weekly looks like now, because I believe this level on the monthly is also a level on the weekly. So we'll see what happens with that. All right, yeah, so this is the level on the monthly, right? We rejected off this level and we held this resistance, right? Like we were saying in the morning during New York session, we are expecting, or I'm expecting, just because of how this looks and how this closed, I am expecting that we're gonna come down here and create a little bit more of a bottom wick before we end up pushing up. Yeah, towards where we'll make that bottom wick, I'm not quite sure. Probably will rely on lower time frame levels to get an idea of that. Maybe somewhere around here potentially, right? So maybe somewhere around here potentially. We don't really know yet, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Or we could just, you know, take out these highs and continue to push up, right? So really anything is possible here, right? Anything is possible. So let me see, what is this level here? So up there, so you technically have tapped into that level. Yeah, so we'll see what price wants to do here. I don't really have, yeah, if I'm saying anything now, it's more speculation than anything, right? That weekly hasn't really showed me its hand yet. I'm not really sure what that weekly wants to do, so we're just gonna wait for price to continue to print on the lower time frames, and then we'll find put our entries, right? We'll find a room for our entries. But yeah, let me see, you have price respecting this level as well, which is same level here. Yeah, so I'm thinking if we're gonna come down, even if we're gonna drive up here, I'm thinking that we most likely will tap into this level, this 189 level flat, right? So I'm thinking even if we're gonna see that push up, we're still gonna come down and tap into this 189 and then eventually continue to push up to eventually or potentially flip on the monthly and so on and so forth, right? So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Like I said, price hasn't really showed us its hand, so we're gonna have to wait for price to print to really tell us what's going on, right? All right, moving on to the daily here. Moving on to the daily. So previous daily, previous daily closed bullish as well. So we retested these highs, closed bullish. So it looks like you're holding this support. So if you notice, you never tapped into this level, right? You retested these highs again, rejected, never tapped into this level, but you're still holding this support. So I do think at some point here you're gonna tap 192.4, right? I do think you're gonna tap 192.4. So coinciding with our outlook for the weekly, right, coinciding with the fact that we're expecting to tap these lows before we drive up, if we're gonna drive up, and on the daily we're looking to potentially fill this wick to the left and tap the top of this range at 192.5. I think whichever one gets tapped first, we're most likely gonna drive in the other direction. We'll see what happens, but you know, yeah, for now, just if we were just speculating, we're just throwing out ideas right now. So if, yeah, we're just throwing out ideas right now. So if we end up, for instance, if we end up filling this range to the left, if we end up filling this wick, right, and we tap, hold up, is my mic on? Okay, my mic is on. Okay, cool. All right, yeah, so if we end up filling this wick to the left, tap into this level first, then come down, then we'll take those sells, right? We'll take those sells towards this level. Or if we end up coming down first, right, tapping here and then closing back above, we'll take those buys. So we have a scenario for both taking buys and taking sells. But this previous daily did close bullish, right? This previous daily did close bullish. Granted, we're still respecting this minor level here to the left, and we're still respecting the overall level up here, right? So we'll see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. All right, moving on to the 4 hour. So this is the move we were trying to take advantage of. This is the move we were looking to take advantage of during New York session. It's pretty much played out here on the 4. Just, you know, it didn't play out the way we thought it would play out. What we thought would happen was this candle was gonna just flip and drive down, right? But instead you ended up, you know, flipping, holding support, holding resistance here, and then you drove down. So that's good to see, at least that the move did in fact play out. So yeah. So now 4 hours or previous 4 hour close bullish respecting. Now we've come down, we filled this range. At this point we're sort of in limbo, right? Because you've already filled this range, so that move is done. So now you could either continue pushing down, or you could just flip on this candle and close bullish. We don't really know yet, right? We don't really know. Yeah, I think this 4 hour candle will be key. The 4 hour candle closure will be key to tell another in terms of deciding what direction we want to go, right? I think that this 4 hour closure would be key. Let me see this. What is this level I have here? Oh, this is that, right? Yeah, that's this level here, 191.2. Yeah, 191.2. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Let's see how it happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see how price prints. Let's see how price prints. I'm not gonna move any of my levels quite yet. I'm gonna just leave the levels where they are. Yeah, I'm just leave the levels where they are for now, and we'll see how price wants to move here. All right, onto the hourly. So we did close bullish, right? But really we have opportunities for both buys and sells, but we did still close bullish. So I am still I do still favor the buys a little bit more here, I'd say. Let me see. So maybe buys above here potentially, and then sells. So sells. So if I say sells below here, what is this level on the 4? Let me see. Potentially. So this 4 level here. Let me see what this 4 level is on the hourly. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. So I'd say we have some potential sells below here. Right, potential sells below here. And then my buys, in terms of my buys, will probably come, let me see. Okay, that's the daily level as well, right? Yeah, so buys probably above here. Yeah, so I like where that level is currently. All right, so let's see how we form here. Let us see how we form here. Cool. Yeah, so I mean, I do not like how this market looks at all, right? I don't like how we look in this range on GJ. You see how much wickage we have. You see how wicky these candles are, all in this little condensed range. You have so many wicks, right? So many large wicks. I'm not a fan of that at all, but you know, we gotta find a way to make a good situation out of, yeah, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Make lemonade out of lemons when life gives you lemons, innit? That type of thing. All right, cool. All right, so we got our levels. We got the levels of interest. Let's just see how price wants to form around these levels now, right? Let's see how price wants to form around these levels. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these ranges, man. I'm not a fan of this range at all. Look how price is moving. All types of sketchy. Yeah, I mean, if we get a position, we get a position, right? And then we can take that. But yeah, for the most part, I'm not a fan of how this looks, but we'll see what happens here. We shall see what happens. I think the 4 hour closure will really decide where we want to go. If we close inside this range, we don't close above or below, we're most likely just gonna continue the range here. We most likely won't do much for the session, but I mean, if we close above, we'll most likely push up. If we close below, we'll most likely push down. We'll see though. We shall see. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Let's see how we develop here. Let's see how price develops. It's such a shit range, man. I know I've said that multiple times, but I feel like I have to emphasize just how shit the range is. Absolutely atrocious. All right, cool. On to gold. Gold looks a lot better. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. That is beautiful on gold. Wow. Yeah, we might start driving up here. Whoa, actually. That's interesting. But that 15 has no bottom wick though, so we're gonna wait. Okay, let's break gold down real quick because we might actually have an entry there. All right, gold on the monthly. Pretty straightforward here. Bullish. All-time highs. Weekly, bullish. All right, we were looking to actually take the flip of this. I don't know if it was the flip of the weekly or the daily. I believe it was flip of the daily, right? So we're looking to take the flip of the daily, but we put a little bit too much stock in GJ for New York, right? So we're a little bit too fixated on GJ during the New York session. We sort of missed out on, you know, taking the flip up. But even the way the buys really formed wasn't the, you know, it wasn't the kindest to entries. But yeah, we did miss it, I'm not gonna lie, but that is what it is. But yeah, weekly bullish, daily bullish, another daily bullish closure. We filled this wick now to the left, which is what we're looking to do during New York session. I mean, at this point you could continue coming up to take out these highs, right? All-time highs, maybe push up a little bit and then come back down. We don't really know, right? I mean, because now you have this bottom wick. It's a decent enough bottom wick. Yeah, so this is your second closure above this range or above this level of resistance. You have a bottom wick, so at this point it's open season, right? It's hunting season. It's open hunting season. We could just start pushing up. How far we're gonna push up, nobody knows, but we'll see. I mean, pretty straightforward here. We're looking for buys, right? We're looking for buys. This 4-hour closed above. Yeah, this 4-hour closed above this level, and now we've tapped into this level as well. So yeah, man. Yeah, let's see what price wants to do here. Let's see what price wants to do. Let's see. Interesting. Yeah, let's see if we can get some positions here. See if we can get some positions. Yeah, so the levels are pretty straightforward. Whether we're gonna form, you know, as straightforward as the levels, whether price is gonna print as straightforward as the levels, we don't know quite yet. Hopefully we do, but we'll see. We shall see. Alrighty, little lady. Ho. What's good, little lady? Johnny Bravo. Yeah, y'all remember that shit? Johnny Bravo was the GOAT, son. Mans was shooting like Steph Curry, but his shot percentage was like Ben Simmons, but hey, he was letting them fly though. Gotta respect it. He has Steph Curry attempts with Ben Simmons percentage. Absolutely abysmal. All right, let's see what I go on here. Let's see what I go on. So we are but the only thing that stands between us and a funded account is $52. So we're not gonna chase. All right, we're not chasing anything. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key chasing. Zain, how you doing, my brother? How goes the trading, man? Welcome. Anyone that's new to the stream, we are usually live New York session 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. All right, I'm streaming right now because I'm not gonna be able to stream tomorrow morning, so you know, Actually, let me clear this off. This is from this morning. This is from this morning trade, or this morning's trade. But yeah, if you're new to the stream, we're usually live during New York session. Again, we're not gonna be live tomorrow, but Thursday we'll be here. Thursday we'll be here. You know, the schedule's being a little sporadic because of, you know, life things, you know. But when we can, we are here 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. West African time. You know. And hey, if you get anything of value, whether it's a trade or whether it's a breakdown or a trade, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Only if you get anything of value though. But sometimes you gotta ask questions to get value. So if you got any questions, don't be shy. The chat is open for everybody. All right. So we're coming up on the hourly closure. Let's see how we close here. Yeah, GJ is an enigma right now. GJ is an absolute enigma. So you're gonna close respecting this level again. You might drive up actually. Let me see. So hourly closure for. Yeah, I would prefer a 4-hour closure to really take anything on GJ here, to be honest. Because the levels that we're playing at right now, yeah, I don't want to play around at these levels. I don't want to fuck around and find out. Excuse my language. I don't want to mess around these levels and find out, you know. But this 30 is closing back into the range. This hourly closing back into the range here. And what range am I speaking of? It's this right here. Oh, well, we never closed below, to be fair. We've been respecting, so. Yeah, we've been respecting. Bing chillin'. Bing chillin'. Yeah, we've been respecting, so. You know, we could just drive up here. We could just drive up here. Yeah, I don't think I'm taking any entries. It's not worth it. I'm not taking anything on GG until we really see that 4-hour close. Because one, I don't like these ranges at all. Right? The wickedness, is that a word? The wickedness. The wickedness of it's not a word. But like the amount of wicks within this condensed, I mean, technically, I mean, we're on the hourly, right? So this looks like it's a lot, but I mean, it's not really a lot. All right, we're just condensed. We're just condensed in here, right? It's really more consolidation than anything, right? But with the way this is looking, it does look like we're sort of priming ourselves to push up. But I think before you actually push up, you're gonna have to see closures above 191 here. Before I'm convinced that we're actually gonna push up, we're gonna have to see some closures above 191. And for those closures to also mean an entry, it would have to be above 191.23 around these areas here. Yeah. So yeah, man, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But hey, if your setup is saying take the buys after this hourly close is bullish, I mean, I sort of rate it. I do rate it, right? But just keep in mind you have a level right here. You have this daily level right here, so you want to be careful around those areas, right? I mean, even if price ends up coming up there, if you buy off rip, this is still a good 20 pips away. I mean, depending on how this candle closes, but you know, I think you're still gonna have a good vantage point there, but I'm not really willing to take that position. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. All right, Goldie. What's Goldie saying? What's Goldie saying? Slowly add it up. Goldie. Money on my mind. Money. Yeah, we just need a We just need a bullish closure on gold, to be honest. I doubt we're gonna get it. Well, not a bullish closure. We need a bullish closure above. All right, so basically this 30 needs to close, needs to flip and close bullish. I doubt it's gonna do it, but we might as well get ready here. We might as well get ready here. So where would our stops be? I mean, you closed above there. This one came back. Yeah, if you're looking for stops, it's probably gonna be somewhere around there. Yeah, see the hourly, no bottom wick, no bottom wick, and this is what drove off. So let me see, something like this. There you go. So this one, okay. All right, cool. Let's see what I'm going. Let's see what I'm going. So hourly is about to close in 25 minutes. Sorry, 25 seconds. Yeah, we're not gonna get a closure above. I'm not too surprised. I'm not really too surprised. I'm not too surprised. GJ is gonna close bullish as well, but no entries off that closure. Definitely no entries off that closure. All right, cool. I mean, this hourly now has no top wick. We're coming down for a bottom wick. Let me see something here. Yeah, never mind. There goes your flip, and you're pushing up. Let's see, how far are you gonna push up? Drop and give me 50. Drop and give me 50. 87, 87, yeah. So, you know. Yay. Hello. It's me. I've been wondering, well, you are gonna do. Alright, cool. Yeah, hopefully it's not just a slow. So by 9 o'clock, yeah, if we're not really seeing much by 9 o'clock, if things aren't really happening by 9, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna just call it a stream. You know, I'm gonna just call it a stream. But yeah, man. Yeah, we are 24 minutes. Word. My average trade duration is 24 minutes. That's crazy. That is crazy. All right, cool. Let's see what I'm going. I'm trying to think, cause like if we close above this level on the 15, we're most likely gonna still push up and fill this wick to the left. No, most likely. That is we do have a decent chance of doing just that. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. So for now, we don't really have anything cooking. We're not really waiting for anything per se. You know how bad my luck is? So during New York session, we were focusing on GJ, right? We're focusing on GJ during New York session. And gold ended up being the one to drive. Now we're about to focus on gold, watch GJ drive, right? Such is my luck. Saying that, we never blame the markets. Are gonna do what the markets do. It's never luck. It is never luck. We make our own luck around these parts. Yeah. Yeah, man. Asian session is the wind down session, you know. Yeah, not much goes on. Well, I've been part of some very volatile agent sessions in the past, so I can't really say not much goes down in agent session. All right, it's just, you know, it's hit or miss sometimes. It's hit or miss. Sometimes agent session is booming, sometimes it's just molasses, right? Slow and unbearable. Absolutely unbearable. All right, let me let this 5-minute close. I think we'll go AFK and wait for the 15-minute to close. Again. For y'all, if you're joining us for the first time, we are usually live New York session, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 12:30 p.m. Watt, West African time. But unfortunately, we're not gonna stream tomorrow, hence why we're streaming right now. All right, so yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you get anything of value. Only if you get something of value. If you hit that button without getting something of value, I'm a blow up. Okay, no, that's I was about to threaten y'all, huh? Yeah, nah. If you hit that button without, you know, getting anything of value, it'll just, you know, it'll unsubscribe automatically. All right, so you gotta have you have to have gotten something of value before you subscribe, right? Yeah. If not, it's just gonna unsubscribe automatically. Trust me. Trust me. The algorithm knows, man. The algorithm knows. All right, so you're coming down here. So, I mean, technically, this is the range, right? Or so rather, this is the level, right? You closed above this level. So where would you expect that bottom wick? Here, right? But look how this candle just pushed clean through. So you could have a case here. You could have a case where you start dropping down now. You start dropping down. If this 4-hour close is bearish, you're going to see this come all the way down here, create that bottom wick, probably close respecting, right? Probably close respecting. And then, you know, London session or tomorrow New York session, you're going to start seeing price start to boom back up potentially, right? All is alleged. All is alleged. I mean, you don't have to come all the way back down to the daily level, 25.15. Yeah, I mean, you don't really have to, but you know, if you close below, you're most likely going to come back down to these levels. But in terms of having to come down here to create a bottom wick, you don't really have to. You can just drive now because you already have a bottom wick off this candle closure, and you have 2 closures above the resistance level here on the daily. So yeah, let's see what happens. We're currently going down here, but we have no entries. This is just something that's happening, right? This is just price printed. That's all it is. Hey, Bob, my fault. All right, first 5 close, whatever that is, bullish doji. Yeah, see how you're pushing up. Yeah, so I mean, we'll see what happens here though. See what happens there, because you're still respecting this level, still respecting this support level. Yeah, to really take the buys, I would need a closer above here. That would be preferred. A closer above above. What the hell is above? Can't speak English, man. Yeah, to really confirm the push up, or to confirm the price wants to go up, we're gonna need a closer above 191.242. So let's see Wagwan. Let us see Wagwan. Yeah, yeah, y'all vibe out for a bit. We're gonna wait for the 15-minute close here. Not much going on as of now. We're gonna wait for the 15-minute close. Ooh, my fault. 15-minute close. Wrong keyboard. Boom. Okay. Yeah, my fault, yo. All right, we're gonna wait for the 15-minute close, and we will be right back with your regularly scheduled programma. Cool. All right, y'all vibe out, vibe out, but don't forget to look for potential entries though. All right, cool. back. All right. Yes. All right. Yeah. So, I mean, GJ is pushing up here. GJ is pushing up, which we did think would happen, but not much I can do about it. Can't really take that right now. Can't really take that right now. I mean, you closed above this level here, right? You closed above this resistance here. Now you're sort of at this daily, right? You're now at this daily level. Just this, I believe. All right, yeah. So now you're hanging around these daily levels. So whether you're gonna drive through this, whether you're gonna drive clean through this, or you're gonna reject this and then start to push back down, we'll see, right? We'll see. But if you do end up coming up here, all right, tapping into this level proper, and you have like a 30-minute bearish closure below, we'll gladly take those sells to the downside, right? Gladly. But yeah, those buys we were looking at did end up playing out, but yeah, not really something I was looking to take though. Not really something I was looking to take. I'm sure somebody took this, because I mean, it technically is an entry, right? It is an entry, because you did have this hourly sort of close respected, right? You came all the way down here, you had 1-2 bearish closures, right, and still held support. Then you had a bullish closure, still holding this support. So most likely, in order to break this support, you would have needed to come up here, right? Even if you're gonna come down and break the support, you still need to come up here to grab liquidity, right? Taking out these highs and potentially tapping into this level as well. So I'm sure somebody took those buys, but unfortunately I wasn't really comfortable taking those buys. So c'est la vie, but those are over now. So we're gonna look ahead. If we can get that 30-minute closure below, then we can start cooking here, and we can start cooking. Yeah, if we get that hourly closure below as well, that'd be tough. Yeah, so that would be a bearish closure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I think at least by 9 o'clock we should get an entry. I'd prefer to get an entry before 9 o'clock, but the way that's forming, I think at least by the 9 we should get an entry, to be honest. By the 9 o'clock close, I think we should get an entry, but we'll see. We shall see. That's an interesting graph. Zain. Alright. So let me see this gold 15. So gold closed bearish on the 15. 30-minute fake out. Let's see. 30-minute fake out, 4-hour respect and support. Yeah, we might get something on the 30 as well. Yeah, if we can have this 30 close bullish, if we can have this 30 flip and close bullish, I'll take those buys for sure to fill the rest of this wick and potentially tap 25, 30 and maybe even beyond. For sure. All right. Yeah, with that being said, I will be back. We're gonna wait for the 30 close here. Gonna wait for the 30 close. Ooh, my fault, y'all. I forgot to turn down the music. Apologies. See, this is why I need people in the chat, man, to tell me these things. But yeah, so nothing we can take right now, right? If we were gonna be part of these buys, you would have wanted to be in there right here, right? As soon as we flipped on this candle, we would have wanted to be in here, and most likely we would be closing full TPs around here, to be honest with you. Most likely we would have been closing full TPs about now. Yeah, man. All right, so sadly, yeah, we can't take the position right there. That's pretty much played out already. So we're gonna have to wait and see. Are we gonna reject now from this level? Right, we just tapped into this level, right? This level of rejection on the daily, this rejection level on the daily. We just tapped into this level now. Are we gonna reject and start to push back down? I really hope we do, actually. I really hope we do. Or are we gonna just continue to drive up here? We'll see. We will see. Yeah, gold is in a similar situation, right? Are we gonna break through this level and drive down, close bearish on the 30, or are we gonna come down, tap into that level a little bit more convincingly, and then close back above, right? Yeah, this 30-minute, if this 30-minute were to close back above bullish, I would take those buys off rip. I'd take those buys off rip. I mean, depending on how we close, your vantage point is looking like minimum 15 pips, give or take, depending on how we close. But yeah, we'll see. It's a waiting game right now. It's a waiting game. Not much going on. It is the Asian session. Not too surprised. Yeah, GJ still going up here. Interesting. Yeah, we might actually close above on GJ, huh? I mean, if we close above, if we manage to close above, let's see. Yeah, if we manage to close above, depending on what the vantage point is or how far the vantage point is, which is this level here, I'll take a buy, right? Depending on how far this level is away, I'll take a buy. Yeah, it's not a wide range. It's not a crazy range. It's about 9 pips. It's about a 9 pip range. Not much. Not really much. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna be back. Y'all vibe out for now. Enjoy the music. I will be back. We're pushing up here, but really there's nothing I can do about it, man. There's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, ideally we close, you know, just a little bit above. If we can close just a little bit above with a top wick, that would be awesome. And then we can take those buys going up, I reckon. Yeah, we could take those buys. Okay. Yeah, now you're really pushing, huh? Damn. Now you're really pushing. TP's vantage point would be up here. 191.358. Okay, let's see. Let us see. Well, I was gonna go AFK, but we're about to close here anyway, so might as well stick around, I guess. Might as well stick around. Yeah, I was really hoping this gold would tap into this level and then close bullish, but we're not really doing much. I think we still have 5 minutes. We still have 5 minutes left, so that's a lot of time. That's a lot of time in gold land. It's a lot of time for gold to make a move. It's a lot of time. A lot to done. Is my mic on? It's about the second time I've asked that question, but yeah, I keep getting the eerie feeling that my mic is off, but nah, we good. We chilling. Otoya, bing chilling, bing chilling, bing chilling. Ohio Gotasmas. The fuck did I just say? Ohio gozaimasu, right? Something like that. I do speak some Japanese, yes. Yes, I am a cultured man. I speak a lot of languages. I speak English. I speak Spanish. I speak Forex. English or Spanish. You know, that question has come up a lot on in day-to-day life for some reason, like English or Spanish. And then, I mean, you immediately think of the meme, but it's actual people asking that question for one reason or the other, you know. Yeah, that trend's gonna continue until they mess around, ask the wrong person, you know. Yeah, I think the whole wave of influencers, the interviews, the random interviews, all of that. Ooh, wait, hold up. Something just happened. Oh, I missed it. Is that not supposed to show oh man. Somebody just subscribed, no? Man, I put that joint. Yeah, I gotta change where I put that. I'm gonna watch it back. I'm gonna watch the stream back. Let me see. What's the timestamp on that? Let me see. Timestamp on that would be 1 hour. So about an hour in, give or take. Okay. I'll look that up later. I just saw somebody subscribe on my screen. I set up the subscription notification a while ago, but this is the first time I'm ever seeing it. Could also be because you know, it's supposed to make a noise, but that didn't really make a sound, so it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, I'm gonna need the charts to start doing some acrobatics, man, because I'm falling asleep. I'm out here falling asleep. My eyes are going. They're going dim, and I need them to be locked in. You know what I mean? All right, 1 minute left for a closer here. Hey, 1 minute left for a closer. 1 minute left for a closer on the 30. Let's see how we close. I mean, I could predict it right now, right? We're most likely gonna close respecting, right? We're most likely gonna close respecting on this 30. Yeah, not much of an entry though. So we're closing is this a babushka play? Not really. It's not really a babushka play. And if you do not know what a babushka play is, it's really just a fancy name we gave, you know. What would that be? Like a range 2 fake breakout? Or a range 1 breakout for a potential push up to range 2. Right, something like that. All right, so what a babushka play? Well, actually, let me hold off on that. This 30 minutes about to close, and we are closing respected. All right, safe. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I mean, no news, right? Yeah, no news. It's Ireland. Yeah, it is Ireland. So yeah, no news, unfortunately. Okay, that 30-minute closed above most recent. All right, 30-minute close above most recent. So this would have been textbook babushka play if we close on the hourly candle, right? If this was a formation on the hourly, this is textbook babushka. So basically what the babushka play is you close above the most recent resistance or high, which in this case would be, I mean, you could go this one or this one, to be fair, right? So you my fault, yo. I'm skipping a beat. I'm out here rapping. Yeah, so yeah, the babushka play basically is you close above this most recent level here, but not above, you know, the overall level, which would be this, right? Usually you want that to coincide with a closure on the 4-hour or the higher time frame, wherever you're taking it. But I mean, in this case, you would have wanted that to line up with your father's deeds. Wait, what did I just say, bro? It's your father's deeds? Yo, I'm sorry, yo. I'm sleepy. Like, my eyes were closed when I don't even, what did I just say, bro? It's your father's deeds? That's crazy. Yeah. Usually you want it to line up with a 4-hour closer. Yeah. You want the babushka play to line up with a 4-hour closer, or just a higher time frame closer, right? So this, I would consider this the babushka play if this hourly also closed above this level, right? If the hour, if the hourly also closed, then yeah, sure, we could consider that a babushka play. Currently you have a babushka play potentially forming here, right? Because now you're currently trading above this level here. So if you close above this level, you still respect this. You look to the left here. I mean, yeah, I mean the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour is closing back above, right, into the range. Then yeah, man. Actually, no, scratch that, because this is a daily level, so we really want to close above. To be fair, we would really like to close above, but we will see. Yeah, bro, I'm slipping in and out. Slipping in and out of consciousness. Let me tell you something. All right, let's see. Let us see. Hopefully things get a little bit more exciting here in a bit. Yep. Yeah, if we had taken those buys, we would have been clear free, but hey, c'est la vie, right? We chose the horse we wanted to back, or the horse, or I mean, in this case, the horse we didn't want to back. And the horse ended up winning the race, but still, it is what it is. Damn. My fault. I was just reading some. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't really see much. I don't see us taking anything before the 9 o'clock closure, to be honest with you. Yeah, let me do some push-ups or some shit. Fuck, you know, my eyes are fighting me right now. All right, cool. We're gonna wait for a 15-minute closer here. There's really not much going on. Hopefully we can close bearish on the 30 and the hourly. Hopefully. And then we can start taking those sells down on GJ. And vice versa for For gold, we want to close bullish, right? On gold without driving. So yeah. I'll be back. Oh no. Actually it's 15, not 30. Yeah, so I'll be back. Y'all vibe out for now. There's really nothing going on here. So we'll see what the 15-minute candle does. If that does nothing, we're gonna wait for the hourly closure, which is also gonna double as the 4-hour closure as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. You see how much trouble we're having breaking out of this level? It's crazy, no? Yeah, it's crazy. All right, cool. Yeah, y'all vibe out for now, though. Y'all vibe out for now. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, 15 about to close in a couple seconds here. Yeah, so nothing on gold. Nothing on gold. I mean, GJ just pushing up here, really. GJ is just pushing up here. Yeah, man. Not much we can do about this, to be fair. Not much we can do. We already missed that initial, well, we didn't really miss it. We were never gonna take it regardless, right? We weren't gonna take it regardless because we really wanted to see how this hourly wanted to close. So now we have our first official close above this what is it, this daily level, right? This daily level, we have our first official close above. So what could happen now? You could start seeing price skyrocket. You could really start seeing price push up here to fill this wick to the left. All right, this wick of the previous daily candle. You could start pushing up here pretty heavy to fill this wick and potentially tap into 192.4. Actually, I might get involved with that push up. Actually, no, I can't. Yeah, sadly, I cannot do that. Not yet. Yeah, I mean, if we were already in, that would have been nice. If we were already in from down here, right, on the flip, we did. I mean, we literally said that most likely we're gonna come up here, right? But at the same time, it's not really an entry, right? I mean, yeah, it's not really. Nah, it's not really an entry. Because if I was gonna put this position in my book, in my journal, I don't even know what I would put it as, right? I would just basically have to define what my thought process was, right? It's not really an entry per se. It's just more me reading the candles, right? It was just more me reading the candles because you had a level of support right here, right? You closed bearish once, tapped into this level, closed bearish once, respected, right? Came down, created an even steeper bottom wick, closed bearish, respecting again, then you closed bullish, still respecting. So most likely, if this all this is telling you is that we're having trouble breaking this support, right? So if you're gonna now come down to break this support, you're gonna need to come up a little bit higher for some to grab some more liquidity. So think of it as grabbing momentum, right? Think of it as like, you know, we're basically trying to kick this door down. But the door just isn't budging, right? So in order for us to, you know, grab enough momentum, or in order for us to kick this door down, we're gonna pull back so we can gain enough momentum so that when we run, right, we run with some momentum and then we come crashing into this door and eventually break through, right? So that's pretty much the whole concept there of grabbing liquidity and all that, right? That's pretty much all it is. So I mean, we knew we were gonna come up here. We didn't really have a entry per se though. Didn't really have an entry per se, or I just overlooked it, right? That could be true as well, all right? Or I just overlooked it. Two things or multiple things can be true at the same time, as they say. But yeah, now you're trading above those levels. Yeah, I mean, I would have looked to take some buys now, but that would be FOMOing. I would just be trying to hop on a move that is already pretty much gone. So now we need another move to present itself to us, right? And that's most likely gonna come with a 4-hour closer. So once this 4-hour closes, we'll look to start taking some buys, yeah. And this would be a perfect babushka. Ooh, this would be perfect if we close exactly like this on the hourly. Let me see. Yeah, man. If you close exactly like this on the hourly, I get a bottom wick, I'm taking those buys immediately, because then this is a babushka, right? So if you weren't here before, what I was explaining with what the babushka is basically, I mean, I don't even want to say lower time frame, because really I only take it when I see it on the hourly. So basically the hourly closes above most recent, it closes above a more recent high, but doesn't really close above the overall, right, or the overall level, right? In the terms of buys, it'll be the highs, right? So you see how you have this overall level here, right? You have this overall level here, and then you have this level over here. So basically we close above this one, but still respecting this on the hourly. But at the same time on the 4, we're closing above a level, which would be this, right? And we still have range to fill on the 4. So that's pretty much what the babushka is. We call it the babushka because it's sort of a play inside of a play. But I mean, in reality, it's just, I mean, it's pretty much a fake out. Well, not a fake out, a breakout, but yeah. It's pretty much just a 4-hour breakout, to be honest with you, but just for the sake of giving it a fancy name in it. Yeah, man. Yeah, we just pushing up here, man. We just pushing up here. Damn. Yeah. Yeah, the one-time impulse entries might have actually been nice. Yeah, if we took the impulse buys right here, we would have been sitting pretty. Really, we would have been sitting with a funded account, because this is about 40 pips already. We done pushed 40 pips. Yeah, I mean, so like now there begs the question, right? If we've already moved 40 pips, right? What are the chances we're gonna continue driving like this, right? We might just, best case scenario, we might just start, you know, consolidating, right? I mean, I don't even know if that's best case scenario, to be honest, right? Yeah, I mean, let's see what happens here, though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let us see what happened, eh? Let's see what's happening. What happened? What happened? Do 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 do. Come on, just don't tap 191.4. Just don't tap 191.4. Because really, that's my vantage point. My vantage point would be 191.4. About 9 pips off. Not terrible. Okay, I mean, gold's about well, we're about to have a 4-hour closer in about 7 minutes. We're gonna have a 4-hour closer in about 7 minutes. Yeah, gold might actually close below. Yeah, we close back into the range on gold. Let's see, where's the 30? Yeah, we close back into the range on gold. Right, that would be the 30 closing below as well. We'll look to take the sells. We would look to take the sells. Yeah, that would be an interesting closure, though. That would be an interesting closure. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see, Wagwan. Where's everybody from in the chat? Where y'all from? Is it nighttime? Is it morning? Is it rise and shine? Where y'all from? Where y'all from? Don't worry, the police ain't in here. We got no feds in the chat, so feel free to drop your exact location, address, and everything, you know? Yeah. Hey, that done scared people off. Argentina. Argentina in the house. Welcome, my brother. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You know, I used to I used to speak a little Argentinian or Argentine. It's like nah. Hey, it's Spanish, right? Y'all speak Spanish, no? ¿Cómo estás? It's ¿Cómo estás? What is that? Is that your name? No, no, no. ¿Cómo te llama? That's your name, huh? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? I know, what's it? I know, what's that one? Copador. Is that correct? That's like cool, right? It's like how you say cool or something like that. Copador. I had some, yo, when Argentina won the World Cup, let me tell you, Nigerians, we felt like we won the World Cup, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause we love Messi, bruh. We love Messi. We were out here singing the Argentinian national anthem. Yeah, man. That World Cup was lit. Copador. I know some Spanish. Yeah, I don't know if y'all got the same words, but I know some. I know a bunch of curse words, a whole lot of curse words. I know, cabrón. Very good. Yeah, ¿cómo estás? I try. I know mainly curse words, actually. I'm not even gonna lie. I know cabrón. I know mama huevo. What is the? I don't know if that's universal Spanish though, because I learned it from some of my Dominican brothers. I don't know if that's universally Spanish, or if that's just specific to them. Colero. I don't even remember what they mean, to be honest. Yeah, I can't get canceled for what I don't know I'm saying, to be honest with you. Yeah, I forgot what they mean. I know mama huevo. I know what that one means. Yeah, I know pendejo. Pendejo is dickhead. I know that one. Yeah, I know that one. And of course, I know despacito. Mi amo ya me yana despacito. Like that. Hey, all right, let's see. Oh, let's see. 2 minutes left here for a closure, for a 4-hour close, for hourly close, for everything close. Let's see. I mean, I would like this to close bearish. I would like this gold hourly or 30-minute to close bearish below. Then I think if we close bearish below, we'll see a push down. If we close inside the range like this, I don't know. I'm not sure what might happen. I mean, if we close inside the range, we're probably still going up long term, but you know, we might just make a steeper bottom wick. We might just do that, but I don't know. All right, look alive now. Let's lock in. So 1 minute left here. 1 minute left for a closer. So all we need is this closer above. All we need is this closer above here. I just need that closer above and I'm cooking. I just need that closer above and I am cooking. See, hourly right there. Cool. All right, cool. Let's see what we can get. We just need a closer above A bottom wick, not much of one, just a bottom wick, and we in those buys. So in terms of our stops, I mean, you've already tapped into this level, so the next level you really shouldn't come back. Maybe you come back here, but the next level I'm looking at is somewhere here. All right, okay, that would be there. So really you're looking somewhere down here, right? All right, cool. All right, let's see. 14 seconds left for a closer. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I would prefer a clean close above, but we might not get that clean of a closure, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, there's our close. Damn, man, I don't like that close, man. We closed right at that level. We closed right respecting that level, huh? Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Not a fan. Yeah, so no dice, no buys just yet. No buys just yet. Yeah, I'm still beyond though. No buys just yet, but let's see how this 5 minute closes. Let's see how this 5 minute closes. If we close bullish without driving, I'll take the buys to fill the rest of this wick minimum, right? We'll take those buys, but if we close bearish, I'm not taking any sells until say the 15 minute close, or if we have something like this. If we get something going like this where we basically come up here, we tap this high again, we create a steeper top wick, then we close on the 15, then or on the 5 or the 15, I'll take the sells. But for now, yeah, for now, this is a prayer. This is just a prayer for the buys at this point. This is a prayer for the buys. All right, let's see how this 5 closes in a bit. Ooh, I like that. Well, it does. Let me see. That 5 closed no bottom wick. Okay, no, it does have a bottom wick. It does. Very small bottom wick though. Very small bottom wick. All right, cool. Let's see how this 5 closes, y'all. Let's see how this 5 closes. And are you looking to buy? Yes, sir. I am looking to buy, but the buys are not. I'm looking to buy, but there is no what is the word? There is no entry for the buys quite yet. There is no entry for the buys quite yet, because we are respecting this level. This is a daily level, all right? This is a daily level, so you want to be really careful around these areas. You could just tap it, right? The fact that you tapped, the fact that you close respecting it on the hourly, right? You wanna see a closer above now to really confirm the push up. You want to see a closer above to confirm the push up. Yeah, so this is my vantage point here. 20 pips, not bad. Okay, all right, let's see. Let's see. So this is pushing now. Hopefully we don't just drive up. That would be a shame if we just drove up. But I'm looking for, if as soon as we close bullish on this 5, I'm gonna look to take those buys off rip. I'm gonna look to take those buys off rip. Our vantage point is about 21 pips, depending on when we close, on where we close. So we'll see. We will, well, actually your vantage point is probably somewhere around here, to be fair. All right, which is still decent, it's not terrible. All right, let's see. Yes, sir. So yeah, it is a strong 4-hour closer, right? It is a very strong 4-hour closer. Plus it's I mean, it's not really a fake out on the 4. It's not really a fake out per se, because I mean, I guess we did sort of fill this range with this bottom wick, right? I mean, if we never made this bottom wick, for sure I'd say that's a fake out, right? But you know, it is a very strong bullish closure, as you say, but we did still close respecting this daily level, right? Which is why I'm wary. That's the only reason I'm wary of taking the buys off rip. So I want this 5 minute to close above. Once we close above on this 5 minute, I do think we're gonna come up a little bit, right? I do think as long as we close above on this 5, the next level of rejection is somewhere up here, right? especially with a 4-hour closure. If we didn't have the 4-hour closure, I wouldn't even take this, because we sort of still have this level over here, right? So I wouldn't even take this if we didn't have the 4-hour closure as well. But combined with the 4-hour closure, I think as long as you can close bullish here, you should be good to come up to at least 191.27 here. But yeah. All right, so okay, we're about to close. We're about to close here. Let's see how we close. As long as we can close bullish, I'm in there off rip. 190.175. Okay, all right. Okay, as soon as we flip again, I'm in there. Did we flip? Not yet. As soon as we flip bullish, okay, boom. So right there, I just took a buy. I just took a buy right there on GJ. Yeah. So let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, did that 5 close? No. Damn. That 5 close? No. Yeah, no, we have a top wick. Yeah, we got a top wick for the 5, right? Yeah, we got a top wick for the 5. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so vantage point here is 191.272. But if you want to be safe, you could go break even, I'd say around this level here, right? Which is, what is this? Which is pretty much the fill of the wick to the left of the hourly, right? The wick fill. Yeah, so as soon as we fill this wick to the left, as soon as we fill this hourly wick to the left, or if we fill that wick to the left, I'll go break even. But keep in mind here though, if we flip here, you're gonna come down for, you know, you're gonna see some drawdown here. And to be honest with you, if we start closing bearish on say the 30-minute, yeah, if you see like a 30-minute bearish closure, most likely you're gonna drive down, right? I'm not gonna lie, most likely you're gonna drive down. All right, so you know, do with that as you will. All right, cool. So we in here though. We are in here. Yeah, man. 5 no top wick. Yeah. I mean, we have a little bit of a top wick. We do have a little bit of a top wick. I still would have waited here, right? So I mean, I did take the entry. I am in here already, but if you're not in here, I'd say wait for to take out these highs. Wait for this 5 to flip and take out its own high, right? Because the way we open on this candle, we open no bottom wick. We open no bottom wick on this 5. I missed that. I did miss that. I'm not gonna lie, I missed that. So I mean, I'm in the position already, right? Nothing I can do about it. So hopefully we flip here. If not, we're just gonna have to wait and see how the 15 closes, how the 30 closes, and so on and so forth. But yeah, if you flip here, you're most likely gonna drive down. I ain't gonna lie. All right, whether you're driving down for a bottom wick or you're driving down long term, we'll see. We don't know. But you know, if this 15 flips, let me see. Yeah, if this 15 flips, most likely, yeah, I mean, you just flip right there. Once you take out those lows, most likely you're gonna see 190.956 minimum, right? Once you take out those lows, you're gonna see 190.956 minimum, and that's minimum, right? So yeah, if you're not keen on the drawdown, if you are in this position, if you're not keen on the drawdown, I would say get out of the position while you still can. We're not too deep in drawdown right now. We're about how many pips? Yeah, we're about 9 pips in drawdown. So I'd say if you're not keen on sitting through more drawdown, close the position right now, and at least wait for this 5 to close, right? At least wait for this 5 to close, and then maybe take maybe consider an entry. But Yeah, if you're not too keen on the drawdown, hey, now would be the best time for you to just get out the position, right? I mean, you're about 2 pips in drawdown, right? So if you're not too keen on seeing some more drawdown here, yeah, get out right now and wait for this 5 to close. But yeah, this 5 closes in about 30 seconds, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Yeah, your vantage point here is about, yeah, I mean, it's the wick fill, right? It's the wick fill of the previous hourly. It's the wick fill of the previous hourly, which is about 9-10 pips, so it's not terrible. Not terrible. All right, there goes your 5 closer. You close bearish. Yeah, you close bearish on that 5, so not the best closer, not the best closer. You're sort of pushing up here without a bottom wick as well, so you could flip at any point here. So finger on the trigger with this one, right? As soon as we can go BE, we'll try and go BE, or if we can anyways. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I mean, you're respecting support, but you're also respecting resistance with that 5 closer. But let's see. Let's see. Let me just put in my stops. 190.175. So 90.175. Yeah, again, if you're in this position, you don't want to see more drawdown, get out right now, because right now we're at BE. Right now we are exactly at BE. So I mean, now we're in profit, right? Now we're even in we're back at BE. So if you don't want to see more drawdown, just get out right now and wait for the 15 to close. But also keep in mind, if you're getting out right now to wait for the 15 closer, you just might miss the move. So really, it's up to you, right? It's really up to you. So we'll see what happens here, though. We'll see what happens. Yeah, let me see. Where's that hourly high? So our vantage point here is this hourly high over here. So let's see if we can tap into that level now. Yeah, we're having a little bit of trouble pushing beyond here, though. So let's see. Yeah, at the very least, you want this 5 to close bullish. If the 5 closes bullish, then you're fuego. If not, you're most likely gonna see some more drawdown. But we'll see. Hey, I don't want to see drawdown. I'm willing to sit through drawdown. I don't want to sit through drawdown though. I'm willing to do it, but I don't want to. I'd prefer if we just push up and hit TPs, but such would be a perfect world, and the world ain't perfect, innit? Yeah, we're about to flip here again. So yeah, once you flip on this candle, you're gonna see some more drawdown. Trust me, you're gonna see more drawdown. All right, let's see. So I'm looking for the wick fill. So yeah, there goes your flip. Yeah, you're gonna see more drawdown. High chance you're gonna see more drawdown. When does the 5 closes in about 2 minutes? So this 5-minute closure is gonna be key here. Let's see how we close here. Can we close bullish or not? Oh, it's a 15-minute close as well. It's a 15-minute close as well in about 2 minutes here. So let's see how we close. Yeah, I'll tell you what, if this 15-minute close is bearish, you're gonna see price drive quick to the downside. I'm calling it now. If this 15-minute close is bearish, you'll see price drive down quick towards 190.96 minimum. That's minimum. All right, that's minimum. So hey, manage accordingly. All right, minute's about to close, or not minute, the 15 is about to close in a minute. I mean, if we can close bullish, that'd be fuego, right? That'd be good. I mean, Really, you want to close bullish above the range, or above the, yeah, above the range. You want to close bullish above the range, but as long as you can close bullish, you're still chilling, right? Then you know, the chances of seeing more drawdown or a large amount of drawdown is less. It's not zero, but it's less, right? So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. I wonder what gold's doing. Ooh, gold is doing something nice. Wow, gold. Wow, wow, wow. Gold has no top wick right now. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful, oh my goodness. No, oh wow, that's a beautiful formation on gold. Yo, if we can go BE, on GJ, I'm literally just gonna go BE and switch to gold. I'm not gonna lie, gold is looking absolutely beautiful. Look at that 5. Yeah, if you can flip on that 5 now to 15. Yeah, gold is looking something promising as well, but hey, we're sort of in GJ right now, so nothing much we can do about that. Okay, so we're seeing a top wick now. Can we push up? Or sorry, we've seen the bottom wick. Can we push up now? Let's see. Can we take out those highs and push up? Again, and this is the last time I'm gonna say it. If you're in this trade, you don't want to see more drawdown, right? Or you don't have you can't stomach any more drawdown, I'd say just close the position at BE, man. You know what I'm saying? Or as soon as you can go BE, I'd say go BE. Because okay, right now you're at BE, right? You're at BE, or you're a little bit in profit actually, right? So I'd say right now, if you can't stomach more drawdown, go BE. Because I mean, hey, this 15 closed bullish, but we still close respecting that level. We still close respecting the level, right? So at any point here, you could flip back bearish and start to push back lower. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Yeah, and most likely, if you're before you actually make that big push up, you might tap into 190.956 before you make that big push up. All right, but the reason we entered this early is because that 4-hour closure, right? That 4-hour closure really convinced me that we're gonna drive up, that we don't really need much of a bottom wick before we drive up. But yeah, let's see though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Ooh, I was actually gonna close at BE, no? So that we can take gold. Damn, bird at hand, right? Bird in hand. What's that saying? Bird in hand. Wow, look at that shit right there. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right. We're making our way up here a little bit, slowly but surely. That level is proving really tough to crack. Let's see if we can close above on this 5 though. This 5 is gonna close in about 2 minutes. Let's see if we can close above. Yeah, I mean, I actually was thinking about closing this position right now and taking gold, but you know, I mean, I don't want to. Yeah, that's not really a good example to set, just jumping from one trade to the other like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna just stick to my GJ. I'll just stick to that. But hey, if you're not in this trade, go look at gold, man, because gold has there's no top wick on gold. We close respecting that level. I'd say if this 15 on gold closes bullish, take those buys for the top wick. Take those buys towards the top wick for sure, 100%. But that's if you're not in this trade already, though. You don't want to. You never want to open, you know, trades, 2 trades or multiple trades on different pairs at the same time, man. That's a recipe for disaster, trust me. I would know. I have done this before. Did not end well. It's easy, it's hard enough, you know, dividing your attention just analyzing two pairs. When you're in the trade, when you're in position on two pairs, shit. Let me tell you something. All right, this 5's about to close. Can we close above the range? That would be nice. We just need a closure above the range, and we should drive up potentially. Okay, can we close above? So 3, 2, 1, and boom. So that's a closure above. Yeah, that's a closure above. Let me see this 5. Okay, cool. All right, so I like everything about this close, so I'm gonna wait for our BE to get hit. I was gonna go BE right there, but I do like this close. I do like, we do have a top wick right here. We're opening with a bottom wick. Hopefully we can flip, and once we flip, we push up towards our BE area, hopefully, right? So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I mean, you're just coming down here at this point. Yeah, that could, yeah, I mean, this looks good on the 5. This looks good on the 5, but if you go on the 15, this is the 15 flipping, right? So it's all perspective. It's all perspective. What do you want to, yeah, flipping bearish again. Yeah, there might not be enough volume to take us off, take us past that level, but let's see. Approaching the 30-minute closure as well, so let's see. That's the 5, 15. Anybody in this? Casperio, you in this or nah? Are you in gold? Casperio, Casper IO. Yeah, I feel you on that one. Got out at BE, yeah. Yeah, I can't really go BE yet, because I mean, I don't like, I will admit, I don't like how much we're respecting this resistance, or how much we're struggling at this resistance. But yeah, the closure so far haven't told me to get out, so I sort of have to stick around. All right, I sort of have to stick around. We'll see though, we'll see. Yeah, gold is looking fuego, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if gold can close, so the 15, if the 15 on gold can close bullish, I'd say if the 15 on gold can close bullish above, let me see, 25.22. Yeah, 25.22. Bullish closure above 25.22 on the 15. I mean, hey, I can't tell you to take a buy, but personally, if I wasn't in GJ, I'd wait for a bottom wick and I'd take those buys. No cap. No cap. No cap. No cap. But hey, that's just me though. That's just me. I can't really advise it because, you know, I just sort of glanced at it. Right, it was more of a quick little analysis there. Yeah, so let's see though. Let's see how our GJ is gonna pan out here. So 5 minute about to close in a minute. Let's see how we close on this 5. Are we gonna close back bearish? Yeah, if we close back bearish, you're really respecting now. You're forming resistance on the 5, and it's unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, even if you close bearish on this 5, as long as you can close above above the range, which is 191.15. As long as you can close above there, I think you should still be good to at least drive up to fill that wick on the hourly wick to the left. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. Personal, it's not a personal account. It's a funded. It's a funded account. It's not even a funded. It's a funded challenge. It's a challenge. Yeah. I'm holding off on the personal account for now. Okay, so we just dropped down a lot on this 5 minute. So let's see. 10 seconds left for a closure. Let's see how we close in 10 seconds. Let's see how we closing in 10 seconds. All right, so you closed. Yes, it's a terrible closure. I'm not gonna lie. Even worse open. A terrible closure, even worse open. So this candle sort of has no top wick. Close back into the range. Now you have no bottom wick on this candle, so you could just flip at any point here and drive down. Damn. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie. I might. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close this position. I'm gonna close that position in, I mean, it's in profit, but really it's BE. Yeah, it's in profit, but really it's BE, to be honest with you. Yeah, so I'm gonna close that right there. We're gonna consider that a BE. Oh man, oh, just now, look at this bullshit, man. As soon as we close it, we start pushing up towards BE. On some bullshit, man. On some bullshit. Imagine we drive. Oh my goodness, I'm pissed. Oh my goodness, I'm pissed. Yo, we better flip bearish. If we don't flip bearish, I'm pissed. I'm absolutely fuming. It's like, nah, it's happened already. I'm just joking. It's already happened, right? Yeah, so we closed right there. We closed that BE pretty much. We got about $3 there in profit, but pretty much closed at BE. Yeah, I just don't like how that candle is looking. I swear to God, man, GJ be playing with a lot of people's feelings, trust me. But yeah, so I mean, we've gone BE there, but we're gonna wait for the 30-minute closure. If you do end up closing above all those levels, then we'll take the buys, right? We'll get back in for some buys, but for now we'll say la vie, right? We'll see what else we can get here. Yeah, so I'm gonna stick around for the 30 closure though. I'm gonna stick around for the 30 closure. We still have opportunity here. We do still have opportunity here, but let me update this real quick. So pound yen BE. That's 48. God damn. I just burped. That's a acidic burp, man. All right. My fault. And then monthly is the 9. There you go. All right, cool. We're gonna stick around. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Which firm? My personal account firm is with Blueberry Markets, and the prop firm is Fivers. These guys. The 5%ers. The 5%ers. Well, the Fivers, yeah, Fivers, yeah. Fivers. So these Donnies right here. I think of all the prop firms out, these are one of the more trusted, right? These are one of the more trusted firms or props out right now. I was with, well, let me not, no free promo. I was with another one before, but it's pretty trustworthy as well. But I don't know, the dashboard kept on bugging. So I had to leave that one. All right, so we have a 30-minute closure in a couple minutes here. Let's look at gold real quick. Damn. Let me tell you, man, if I didn't know that gold is on some bullshit and could just keep on driving down here with no top wick, I would take a buy right now. Yeah, so I mean, if I didn't know what gold, you know, gold has no heart. Gold absolutely doesn't care about anybody's bank account. I would take a buy right now, but yeah, let's see how this 30 closes though. Yeah, you're closing below on this 30. So yeah, nah, no buys though. Yeah, I mean, this gold now looks more like sells than buys, but I mean, do I really think this is gonna come down all the way without flipping? I don't think so. I think you're gonna make a top wick, and if you can predict, well, not predict, but if you can analyze well enough to take the buys towards that top wick, you swimming in it. But now you're in free for all right now. I can't even take the sells, right? I mean we close below, but I can't even take the sells because we could flip it any time. I mean, look at this 15. The 15 closed no bottom wick. Wait, doesn't that mean the 30 closed no bottom wick or no? Okay, yeah, okay. I see what happened. But yeah, the 15 closed pretty much no bottom wick. 30-minute close below. Let's see if we can get a 15-minute closure back above. Yeah, if we can get a 15-minute closure back above bullish, I'll take the I'll take those buys. I'll take those buys. Now 30 instantly shut up. Let me see what happened. Oh my days. Yeah, GJ is on crack. GJ is on crack. Absolute crack. Absolute crack. I'll tell you, if we come down and make a bottom wick, take out that high again, we're gonna push up. We're gonna drive up. Actually, no, isn't that TP? We just tapped this level, no? Yeah, we just tapped the 4-hour level. Yeah, man. So yeah, we might just start flipping. We might just start flipping here. I mean, let me clear up these levels here. Let me clear these up. Let me just clear these up. Okay. Yeah, you might just start flipping here, man. Not gonna lie. You might just flip here. Cause technically, no, I mean, you gotta really zoom in here, right? But you did close above. Yeah, you did close above, but yeah, GJ moving with a madness right now. GJ moving with a madness right now. Okay, that's a 4-hour flip. Are we gonna take the 4-hour flip though? What you think, Casper? You reckon we take that 4-hour flip on the 5? If this 5-minute close is bearish, you reckon we take that flip or no? It's tempting, I'll tell you that much. Oof. Gold buys 25.20. I might join you on that one. Oh, you bastard. That's like, nah, you sniping bastard. You sniped that shit, huh? Hey, Godspeed, man. Hopefully it works out. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. I want to see a closure above. I want to see a closure above 25.21.7. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, hopefully it goes your way. I think, hey, let me tell you something. I'm just itching to get in the buys, man. I'm with you. Word? I swear I seen you here before. I swear I seen you here before. I thought yeah, man. Oh, I thought you were somebody else then. My fault. Okay. Yeah, I thought you were somebody else. Never mind. I'm from Nigeria, man. How about you? How about you, my brother? Yeah, I'm itching to get in these buys with you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm a little scared. I'm scared about this level right here. I'm scared about this level right here. From oh, Indonesia? That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Damn. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, 5 just closed. Let me see that gold. So gold. So the 5 ain't closed where I want quite yet. We haven't really closed how I want on that 5 quite yet. Let's see how the next 5 closes. I might miss the move and say la vie, to be honest. It is what it is if I miss the move. But I'm gonna hold off on taking gold. Yeah, look at it. Okay, let's cook. Let's cook a little bit on GJ here. So now you've tapped into that level, right? You've tapped into that level. So look, last time you closed above here, look at this candle here. You closed above, right? You closed above, came back down, right, towards these levels here, and then you pushed back up, right? Okay. They closed above there, didn't drag close. Okay. I'm gonna look to take these sells. If we flip on this 5, yeah, that's all I need for a bottom, for a top wick. That's all I need for a top wick. If we flip on this 5, I'm gonna take a sell. If we flip on that 5, I'm taking a sell on GJ. I mean, I don't, this really doesn't need to be this high, to be honest with you. It doesn't need to be that high, but I'll put it there regardless. Okay, boom. Yeah, once we flip on this 5, if we take out those lows, I'm gonna take a sell towards, oh, where's my vantage point though? That was, hold up. Don't flip yet, don't flip yet. Where's my vantage point? Ooh, is that my vantage point? Nah. 15, so that's the 4-hour. Ooh, actually, yeah, where is my vantage point? So you have that hourly come all the way there. So if you're gonna come down here, most likely you're gonna see which is this. So you're seeing some around here probably. So this would be your vantage point here. So how many pips is this? That's 4 pips. So that's a shit vantage point. Damn. Yeah, if we look just on the 4-hour, this looks so good for sells. If we're looking just on the 4-hour, this looks fuego for the sells. But on the 5, on like the lower time frame, the hourly, the 30, yeah, your vantage point. BE hit, that's on gold. Yeah, man, definitely worth a shot for real. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a 15-minute closure bullish on gold before I take that. But this GJ, man, really the only thing telling me not to take this is the 15. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna risk missing the move down just to get some more confirmed entries here. But I'm gonna risk missing the move to the downside to get some more confirmed entries. So a lot has happened here, so let me just rework my levels here. All right, so put this here. Yeah, so you just took out those lows. I mean, hey, if we missed the move, I guess we missed the move, right? But yeah, if we missed the move, we missed the move. But I couldn't really justify taking that right there. We want to see a 15-minute closer first. Yeah, let's see that 15-minute close bearish and we're in there. Let's see this 15 close bearish and we in there. Yeah, cool. All right, y'all. I think this probably is gonna be the last what is it, the last move I look to take for the night. It's already 9:30. Yeah, I'm already here a lot later than I thought I would be, to be honest, but hey, for the love of the game, right? For the love of the game. For the love of the game. Yeah, so let's see how this 15 closes. So we could either get buys off a 15-minute closer on gold, or we could get sales off a 15-minute closer on GJ. So either or. The only thing I don't want here is like we get into a position off the 15-minute close and we're just in drawdown, right? I do not want to be in drawdown, man. I'm tired as fuck, my brother. I am tired as a motherfucker. I'm just trying to go eat some amala. Y'all know what amala is? That's a Nigerian food. Look it up. It's delicious. All right, let's see. 4 minutes left. 4 minutes for this 15 close. Let's see what's going. Yes, sir, Ski. I'm gonna add you back. Where's my phone at? Hey, look. Riot Trades FX. That's what's up. You post anything on like your YouTube channel and shit or nah? You make any content and such? All right, just added you back, bruv. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's the key word, right? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. To be honest, I shouldn't even be streaming because technically, I'm pretty confident in my analysis, right? I got a keen eye for, well, not to say it's a lot of trial and error. We'll make content once I hear your 1M funded. Hey man, hey bro, if you want to do it, just start, man. I'm telling you, just start. Even if you're losing money, even if you're still in the red, right? Even if you're not consistent yet, just start, man. What's the worst that could happen, right? You're basically just making. I mean, I started streaming, and bro, trust me, I ain't. That's why I put the little disclaimer there, bro. You know, I am not a professional trader. You know what I mean? Like I've been trading for, well, I've known about Forex for like 3 years, but I've really only been, you know, locked in with like with my strategy and all of that for about a year, you know. And I mean, we've made money, but we're still in the red overall because I have blown some accounts in the past, you know, plus the challenges I've lost, you know. So technically we're still in the red, but you know, I'm confident enough in my you know, my price action, my strategy, that I can actually, you know, at least take trades that make sense, right? It's not just guesswork anymore. But yeah, man, if it's something you think you want to do, just start it. Just go ahead and start it, right? Worst case scenario, you're just documenting your journey, right? You're just documenting your rise to the 1M. Worst case scenario. All right, cool. We're about to close here. So this is gonna be my last attempt for the day or for the night. So let's see. Can we get a closer below? Can we get a closure below? Yeah, I don't like how we're resting on those MAs though, but this is the 15 though. This is the 15. It might not matter much. Yeah, look at that 4 hour. So the 4 hour level down here. So yeah, that would be also this level here, right? So end the range. Cool. All right, let's see what I want. Let's see what I want. Oh my goodness, literally as soon as the 15 is about to close, it just starts eating back up. That's crazy, no? That is crazy. Okay, so that would be this. So yeah, really. All right, 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Still, you know, still keep keen here. You never know what might happen. You might see a last second push down. Okay, so I am, damn. Okay, real quick, let's look at gold. Okay, so nothing on gold either. I really don't want to take that. Yeah, I really don't want to take the sells here. I'm not gonna take the sells until the hourly closes. To be honest, even if the hourly closes, I'm gonna be done for the day. So yeah, gold is a mystery for now. Damn, bro, GJ. Yeah, I mean GJ closed below here, but you're still respecting this support here, right? So now it's more semantics than anything. It's like, damn it, bruh. Man, if you take out these lows though, yeah, look at that 5 fly up. Look at what that 5 is doing. Ooh, if that 5 closes bearish, that 5 closes bearish below, that would be nice. So then that would be the 30. Okay, all right, so I'm seeing something. So this is my final attempt of the day. This is my actual final attempt. All right, 5. If this 5 minute closes bearish, I'll take a sell. If the 5 minute closes bearish, I'll take a sell, but not until we close. If we just flip and come down here, c'est la vie. I really don't care. But if we can close bearish, I'll take a sell. Even if even if we close bullish, I don't care. I'm not taking a buy, man. I'm done for the day. I really don't care. We've been doing a whole lot of what would I call this? A whole lot of oh, I know you know, I have an Indonesian friend as well. They told me, what is that dance called? What is it? Saman? Is it Saman? Saman dance? You know that? You know that? Yeah. I added you. I requested anyways. It says requested. It says requested. Let me see. Ah, there you go. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I just sent you a message. Yeah, I mean, it says requested. I don't know. It says requested. Let me see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, I just did it. I just did it. There you go. That makes sense. All right, lost in the sauce. I'm talking to old boy Rio. All right, cool. So this 5 minutes just closed bullish. That's gonna be it for me, y'all. That's gonna be it for me. So nothing lost, nothing gained for the session. Nothing lost, nothing gained. C'est la vie. I mean, things are still happening, right? Things are still happening. I mean, if this hourly closes above, you could push up. But here's why I'm gonna step away, because I've looked at so many potential entries. At this point, my eyes are seeing, I don't want to get into a position just because, yeah, the longer I stay here, the more likely it is I'm gonna get into a position just because I've stayed here for so long without an entry or without a a win, so to speak. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Man like Casperio, man like where's my brother? Man like Gabriel. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Everyone else, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Yeah, man. With that being said, I mean, there's no stream tomorrow. Yeah, unfortunately, no stream tomorrow. Gotta be out early tomorrow, so no stream. But we're back on Thursday, though. Thursday, New York session, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. West African time. Be there. All right. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe if you got anything of value. And with that being said, peace.